Yeah, ready when you are. Whoa!
The doggy door closed on me.
Almost, man, almost.
We are off the back of filming a awning about 5 years ago, and it getting a lot of hate comments on YouTube.
Did it?
Nah, tons of people liked it actually.
Good, good.
They called us idiots. They said your filming made them feel classic.
Because I was doing this?
Yeah. We should do it again.
Let's do more.
We've got a new awning. Do you want to have a look at it?
Yeah, of course. Let's see, man. So what's this one called?
Van Awning 1.
Original.
Can't argue that, can ya?
You know what you're getting.
Nice. Comes in a very cute little bag. Cute little box. Inside here, you get... You ready?
I'm ready.
Oh, should we look at some detail?
Yeah, hit me.
This is a ripstop, which is friggin' strong, pretty tough, very waterproof, and quite stealthy. We like it because it's a bit of a satin finish rather than a shiny boy. Screen printing bits, corners with hook and loop to store your guy ropes, little doodads, black detail. We just kind of thought about pretty much everything with this guy. We learned a few lessons from a few other awnings over the years, and we're gonna try and solve the problems. Basically, this does everything.
What have we got here? What's in your hand?
They're fresh poles.
They're carbon fiber?
They are anodized aluminium.
Okay.
Here's a set that we made earlier.
Perfect.
They're just black and stealthy and pretty cool.
Nice. And
The cool thing is they go quite small.
Yeah, and they extend quite tall.
Correct, Max. It's as
Perfect.
if I briefed you. Oh, shit, we forgot.
What?
Little baggie.
Of?
Pegs. This has got a new anodized black multi-rail. That's the best awning rail you can put in your van. So this here is called K-Door. This shit is strong and tough and oversized because we spec'd it like that. It slides into a little C channel like, which is here. Voila!
Oh, easy.
Oh man, I was born for this job. Do you know what's better than pegs?
Go on.
Shit that's already in the earth. These are fun. You want a little close up on these
Yeah, talk
boys?
to me, man. What have we got here?
Look, sailing peg.
Okay.
Cleat. Look, you go whoop, and then just go. No more
Just like
knots.
that. Wow.
You like that?
I like that, man.
Ba 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 ba. What do you reckon of that?
That's better.
You happy?
I'm happy. Looks good, man.
We level.
Yeah, can I ask you a question?
You may.
So I went away, set up an awning. It was beautiful.
Yeah.
And then we were both confused with these.
That is a great question.
What do we
You
do
know
with
what?
them?
I'm gonna leave you hanging.
Oh, come on, man.
Next location.
I didn't have a clue. And there's like good space under there as well, right?
I think we can all agree now it's crafter compatible, huh?
I'd say so, man. That is great.
Version 2.
Talk to me.
Same awning.
Lose the bat. It's aggressive.
Can I use it as my pointy stick?
Okay, yeah, that's fine.
It's exactly the same awning as we would just had off the side of the crafter, but it is now in barn door mode. It looks rigged well, because it is rigged well, but it's still not very hard to rig it, right? It's effectively a square of fabric. That side of it has got a bit of bolt rope on it that you pull on that ridge there, and it pretty much fits every single barn door van. It's got guy lines that you tie up, and it's got hooky elastic bits too if you're lucky to get the dimensions right on your van. You pull it over here. Guy lines go out at 45 degrees. And you got two of these, remember, from where you had it off the side of your van. Use one of them to jam the doors open. There's no exact science to it, just jam the suckers open. And then it's got these little elastic hooky doodads. Hopefully you can find something to hook them to. If not, don't be afraid to just jury rig it. It's not an exact science. It's important to remember that. But yeah, it's just a pretty sweet spot if you're in your van, for example. You have there. We've got a coffee on the go.
Perfect.
Today it's like a bit drizzly, want a coffee, bit of shelter, kind of be outside.
Good, man.
It's quite nice.
Perfect. Your phone's ringing.
I'm gonna go get my phone.